How to reset the TradingView's chart to the default layout. Hello everyone, and let's get started. As we all know that TradingView is a platform which allows the traders and investors to provide a wide range of tools and resources for analyzing the financial markets, creating and sharing trading views, and much more. Likewise, you're allowed to add different kinds of charts as well as indicators on your chart. But if you want to reverse it back to the default layout, here is the tutorial. First of all, open the chart and you can see different sections that has been added. But if you want the default layout again and want to work on the default layout only, right click anywhere on the chart and then go to the settings. Once you tap on settings, you will see different options. From here, you have to click on translate and then tap on apply default. This way, you have to click on OK button and the chart will be reset to the default layout. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.